Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Detecting and handling errors effectively is crucial when working with external APIs like ConvertAPI in your Python application. ConvertAPI provides a variety of file conversion services, and it's essential to be able to trap and handle error codes gracefully to ensure the stability of your application. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of detecting and handling errors from ConvertAPI in your Python app. Firstly, make sure you have the ConvertAPI Python package installed. You can install it using pip. Before you can use ConvertAPI in your Python application, you need to sign up for a ConvertAPI account and obtain your API key. You can do this by visiting the ConvertAPI website and signing up. In your Python script or application, import the required modules. Initialize your ConvertAPI client with your API key. Replace your API key with the actual API key you obtained from ConvertAPI. Now, let's make a conversion request and handle errors. In this example, we're attempting to convert a docs file to a PDF. If the conversion is successful, you can process the result as needed. If an error occurs, the code will catch the ConvertAPI error and print the specific ConvertAPI error message. Additionally, a generic exception block is included to catch unexpected errors. ConvertAPI provides various error codes that can help you identify and handle specific issues. You can customize your error handling based on these error codes. Here's an example of how to handle a specific error code. By checking the error_code attribute of the ConvertAPI error exception, you can identify specific errors and handle them accordingly. By following these steps and incorporating error handling into your Python application, you can ensure that it gracefully handles errors from ConvertAPI and remains robust even in the face of unexpected issues. Customize the error handling based on your specific use case and the error codes provided by ConvertAPI. ChatGPT.